Today we're going to be looking at these glass spice jars. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo them for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Before you use these, you are going to want to wash them. So I have them all washed and they are drying currently. What's nice is they provide labels for you that are already printed with the name of the spices. And they also include some blank ones that you can use to write your own labels. You just use the chalk pen that they provide to you and there you go. Now these are stainless steel on the top and they have this blue protective coating on it that you need to peel off. This takes a little while, so patience is key. As much as my husband doesn't want me to do this, I'm going to do it. These are all going to be changed into nice, organized, same size thing, and I think I'm going to be able to fit more spices in here. They provide a silicone funnel to make it easier to put the spices into the jars. However, once you put one spice in, the spice tends to build up on the inside of the silicone funnel. So you're going to need to wash this in between each spice jar. Some of the finer spices that kind of clump together like this paprika might need some help getting into the jar through the funnel. So just take a little like chopstick or something and push it through. You can see here what I mean when I say that it gets kind of stuck on the inside of the funnel, so you'll need to wash that out. The labels are really nice quality. They don't feel like they're going to tear at all. And the lids have multiple adjustments for the amount of spice that comes out. So you have one that is open entirely, one that has more holes, and one that has a few holes. I have 2 down and a lot more to go. Between washing all of these, putting the labels on, letting them all dry, this is a weekend project. It's definitely not something that you can do with the snap of a finger. So again, patience is key, but I do really like the quality of the spice jars. I love the fact that it has multiple adjustments for the amount of spice that comes out, and the inside of each spice lid has a rubber gasket to seal it nice and tight.